My box gutter is leaking again. Yeah, we hear this a lot from commercial property managers and building owners. And sadly, it is one of the most common repair requests that we receive here at Four Seasons Kanga Roof. So today we're going to break down what is causing box gutters to be so common and have so many leaks. So to start with, the number one reason that you need to be aware of what is causing leaks in your box gutter, your steel box gutter commercial grade system, is they are not seamless. So steel box gutters come in generally 10 or 15 foot sections and they are seamed together. Obviously, seams inherently mean there's an opportunity for leakage. So number two, and it ties into that, box gutters, unlike a traditional aluminum K-style gutter, require maintenance. Because they are seamed together, they have splice plates, they have special sealants, they are not a set it and forget it system. You need to have the regular maintenance ongoing because in addition to the joints or the seams, they're bigger, which means there's a higher risk too of debris getting caught in those and causing blockages and leakage from that debris. So number three is improper install. Because of the nature of these systems, they're 10 to 15 foot sections. They hold, right? They receive that much more water and that much more weight. Very often we find that they are not installed properly with the proper fastening system. When you start to have that bending and manipulation of the system, it causes the seams to break or the seams to leak. And again, going back to because they're not seamless. And number four, overall design. With box gutters, there's two different main designs, which would be a traditional gutter or a flanged system. And there's very particular reasons to use one over the other, depending on what your roofing system is. The other improper design feature that we see very common is slope. They're very often not sloped properly, which makes the gutter system inclined to hold water. If you have water sitting in a box gutter, knowing that you have these seams every 10 feet, you are inviting Murphy's Law or Mother Nature to cause damage and leaks in your commercial gutter system. What's the overall solution? Well, number one, I like to think hire our team. Those design features or issues, they won't be there. Number two, if you already have your gutters, sign up for a Kanga Care Club for a commercial building. With that, we can come out once or twice a year, inspect them, perform that routine maintenance, take care of those seams, get that debris out of the gutters so that your commercial gutter system is free flowing, draining to the proper areas, and you're not dealing with ongoing leaks. I hope you got some benefit out of this today, understanding why the box gutter systems are so prone to leaks and issues. And most of all, I really do hope you give our team an opportunity to come out, inspect your building, and provide you some solutions. If you got some benefit out of this, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to give my team a shot, give us a call, 586-566-0308, or book your appointment directly on our website at kanga-roof.com. And most of all, as always, I hope you have a Kangarific day.